Passive. I am Mansi, again back with a new book review. This time, the book I am going to review was suggested by one of my subscribers. It is a classic guide to survive the opposite sex. I am talking about Men Are From Mars and Women Are From Venus by John Gray. John Gray is a best-selling author and a relationship counselor too. He literally have helped many couples transform their relationship into something good. So, this is how the book looks. The whole concept of the book is based on one thing, that men and women are from two different planets, that is Mars and Venus respectively, and the author calls men the Martians and women Venusians. One day Martians and Venusians decided to live together, and they came to Earth to live together, but earlier they used to appreciate their differences and accept them as they are, but after coming on to Earth they forgot that they are different, and now they are always in conflict. Throughout the book, what the author is trying to say is that men and women are different from each other, and they need to accept these differences and act accordingly with the opposite sex, otherwise they will remain in conflict forever. Overall in this book are 13 chapters with 286 pages, and each chapter is concentrating on different areas in a life of men and women. If you are someone who have a conflicted relationship with your partner, colleagues or friends, then this book is definitely for you. The book is going to help you in communicating your feelings properly, having a long lasting relationships, building good communication and rapport with other person, and understanding what your partner needs and responding effectively, and many more similar and mind-blowing things which you could just find in this book only. When I was reading this book, at the end of every chapter I was actually able to relate and recall the fights I used to have with my best friend. I was able to understand that why he behaved differently. I also understood that what he interprets when I behave in a certain way. So I think that now whatever I have learned from this book is definitely going to help me in improving the relationship between me and my best friend. Well, that's my personal experience with this book. Do tell me what problems you guys face and how this book helped you guys out. The author has talked about many things in the book, like how men are always trying to provide solutions rather than just listening what the woman is saying, and how women are trying to improve everyone and everything around them. He has also talked about how sometimes men tend to go in their man cave, that is how they want their personal space in a relationship and they take a step back in a relationship, but how women keeps on coming closer in a relationship. The main focus overall in the book was on how different languages, how differently men and women speak, and how differently they interpret what the other person is saying. All these things may lead to arguments between men and women, but then the solution too is right in this book on chapter number 9, how to avoid arguments. The most helpful chapter for me was how to communicate different feelings, that is chapter number 11, and because of one thing that was in the chapter, I'll show you here on page number 211. This is a format in which you could just express your anger, sadness, what you love, what you hate, what you want, what you don't want. Right here, there are phrases which are going to help you in, understanding and writing as to what you want to communicate to your partner. Lastly, the book ended on the 13th chapter as to how to keep love alive in a relationship, and that's how the book ends. Overall, I would say that it is an ideal book for everyone, because we all have certain relationship issues which could only be solved by understanding the mindset of the opposite sex. And if you are someone like me, then you might have a bit of problem in starting, because utna connection nahi baithta. I am not a motivational counseling books person. I am more about a mystery thriller books person. So but when I started to relate with the book, I was actually able to read it and understand it properly. So if you will start relating with the book, then there's no way you could keep this book away. And I would give this book 4 out of 5 stars. I hope this book works good for you guys too. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope the review was helpful. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos. And don't forget, I come up with new videos on every Mondays. You could also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is right here. and you will stay more updated as to what I am reading and what review might come up next. Until then, keep reading. Bye.